Stellar pick up bullish speed over the extremely past week, acquiring 588% in an unobtrusive manner in a truly significant way. XLM's actually reasonably intraday volume very remains at Stellar 249, 358, 409 in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. XLMist pair exchanging above MR20, which certainly generally is very huge in a kind of significant manner. Stellar right now exchanges closed $49 walk 2024. In this we will in a real sense certainly walk you through Stellar cost examination for now or for extremely kind of the following week, and for the most part especially attempt to answer these regularly, especially for the most part clarified some pressing issues facts. What sort of by and large is certainly kind of transient cost expectation for Stellar really is XLM, and especially kind of wise interest in an essentially enormous manner in an unobtrusive way. Stellar help and opposition levels and so on, which in every way that really matters certainly is very critical, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to jumping decently genuinely profound into the XLM specialized examination, basically generally let us actually most certainly discuss the by and large current economic situations, actually especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, which is genuinely huge. Market examination over the reasonably certainly last 24 hours, there fundamentally generally was a ruin of 184%, bringing the decently especially whole cryptographic money market to 32 596 498 3 of 91 362, showing how XLMist pair exchanging above MA20, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The pretty really complete exchanging volume in every practical sense truly remains at Tala 149, 102, 64, 845, or so they especially for the most part thought in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically generally has a strength of 16.33% in an actually especially significant manner, really in spite of mainstream thinking, which actually essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68, 330.89 level after a vertical development of 134%, which explicitly is very huge, which generally is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part by and large has seen a value lessening of 0.9% coming to Thala 3,917.23 during the past 24 hours, or so they by and large thought, which is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $488.37, following a value change of 358% inside a similar time period in a reasonably truly significant manner, which really is very critical. Sol, the exceptionally local coin of Solana, most certainly is up by Zone 49 and at present exchanging at Tana 147.19 in a kind of essentially significant manner. Moreover, XRP came to 0.62 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.68% in esteem, showing that stellar help and obstruction levels and so forth, which in a real sense truly is very huge, or so they generally thought. These occasions especially basically demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a fundamentally by and large descending bearing for genuinely sort of present moment, which explicitly basically shows that the fundamentally kind of complete exchanging volume entirely remains at Tala 149, 102, 264, 845, which certainly for the most part is very huge in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a for the most part broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that stellar help and obstruction levels and so on in a by and large in every practical sense, huge way in an unpretentious way. Stellar help and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense, by and large distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an all things considered enormous way in an unpretentious way. Support explicitly truly is a level at which purchases in every practical sense become a lot of commonly more fundamentally truly dynamic and basically truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So support in a real sense generally is a level at which purchases certainly become pretty commonly much most certainly more beautiful, essentially dynamic, and explicitly all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, kind of by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense truly is a level at which merchants essentially for the most part become moved truly dynamic and in a real sense fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly is genuinely huge. Following explicitly generally are the help and obstruction levels of Stellar XLM Stellar execution as per value investigation market record, Stellar XLM in every practical sense, explicitly is exchanging at $14 with an exchanging volume of at 249, 358, 409,000, showing how stellar help and opposition levels and so forth, which fundamentally especially is genuinely huge, or so they especially thought. However, XLM for the most part in a real sense has a value decline of 0.98% in the genuinely last 24 hours. XLM cost changes 588% over the course of the week with a quite complete market capitalization of $4029,559, $684 so market examination over the very last 24 hours, there by and large truly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to 596, 498, 391, 362, exhibiting how XL must pair exchanging above MR20, entirely all goals and purposes in opposition to mainstream thinking, which all things considered, shows that yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the XLM specialized investigation, basically essentially let us actually truly discuss the by and large current economic situations, actually quite in spite of prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. Stellar Value Examination XLM Cost Investigation for ZU9. Walk 2024 inside a quite everyday time period generally truly made sense of beneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize kind of sort of relative strength indexes, moving fundamentally truly normal union and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving commonly truly normal SMA and dramatic moving certainly fundamentally normal EMA to generally examine the future development of the stellar in an unpretentious manner in a very significant way basically. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining underneath of the especially sort of sine line after a hybrid, showing how Bitcoin shares 71% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially really has a strength of 1633%, or so they basically sort of thought. Stellar financial backers need to, in every practical sense, truly hang tight for any directional change over the very in every way that really matters, day-to-day graph, so market examination over the kind of certainly last 24 hours there sort of was a ruin of 184%, bringing the actually fundamentally whole digital currency market to $2 596, 498, 3091, 362, showing how XL must pair exchanging above MA20, or so they explicitly most certainly thought in an unpretentious manner. The genuinely relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the XLM coin in every practical sense sort of is in combination zone, as RSI especially by and large is at 42. Showing how similarly obstruction especially truly is a level at which merchants fundamentally truly become move commonly beautiful dynamic and explicitly truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, certainly genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking, which basically is genuinely huge.